Cloutier Pro Mini Moteur, Philippe Cloutier, Saint-Therese, Quebec. Cloutier Pro Mini Moteur in Saint-Therese, Quebec is a long-time, exclusive walker mower dealer. Retailing over 30 machines per year, Cloutier owns at least 90% of the commercial mower market in their area. The team at Cloutier represents the Walker brand with great pride and integrity, and subsequently enjoys unparalleled customer loyalty. Philippe and his staff are passionately focused on marketing, selling, and servicing the Walker mower. That passion shines through in everything they do, every single day.